We are all on this planet together. All races, religions, colors, political parties, and any other group you're a part of, we're part of one race, the human race. Regardless of where you are and what your situation in life, we all want the same things. Health, comfort, freedom, love, peace. We all have commonalities that the fast-paced world we live in causes us to forget. We get distracted from the most beautiful things life has to offer. The way we go through life has potential to change the world. Every day we wake up with many options to choose from. What do you choose daily? Do you choose love? Do you choose empathy? Do you choose understanding? Do you see the good? Do you spread love? All we are guaranteed is moments. In one instance, life can change. In one instance, you can lose everything. In one moment, your life can be altered for the rest of your life. So slow down. Enjoy every moment. Show gratitude for every experience. Be thankful for what you have while enjoying the journey to whatever you're passionate about. Love on the people that love you. Be civil. Smile at babies. Wave at strangers. Hold the door for someone. Let someone in during rush hour traffic. We can disagree with civility. Let things go and move on. We are here for a moment. Let's spend our moments making the spaces we occupy better.